Hello everyone, today we will classify the rational numbers. The innermost set we used when we are classifying the rational numbers is the yellow set that we are using here. It's called the natural numbers, also known as the counting numbers. When we are counting stuff, we just use 1, 2, 3, 4, like positive counting numbers, where we don't use the 0. If we include the 0 will be included in the whole number set. Whole numbers can be 0 or positive, and these numbers do not have any decimal or fraction part in their simplest form. So whole numbers and natural numbers, the only difference is there is also 0 included in the set. So whole numbers, all natural numbers are whole numbers in that sense, and most of the whole numbers are natural numbers. And there is only one whole number that's not a natural number, which is 0. The integers, on the other hand, are all the natural numbers and whole numbers, and they are opposites. So the integers will also include opposites of natural numbers. So natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, keeps on going like that. And the opposites of those, -1, -2, -3, and so on. The negatives are also included in the integer set. The other numbers that we know of, like fractions, percents, and decimals, are not going to be part of the integer set, but they are going to be part of our rational number set. So the fractions, like half, or the percents, like 5%, or any decimal, 0.12, terminating or ending at some point, or repeating, 0.56, like let's say with a fraction bar on top, with a repeating bar on top, are going to be part of our rational numbers. When we are classifying a number like square root of hundreds, let's think about square root of 100, where it will go. Square root of 100. See, square root of 100 can be, what is square root of 100? It's 10, right? So then we think about the simplest form of this number when we are classifying this number. So the square root of 100 is going to be a 10, and 10 is a natural number. So I'm just going to like place that square root of 100 inside the natural number set. A natural number is the innermost set here, as you see in this Venn diagram. So every natural number is at the same time a whole number, an integer, and rational number. See that yellow circle is inside all of the sets that are listed here. In that sense, whole numbers, all whole numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, are also integers, part of integers. And integers also include the opposites of whole numbers, so the negative numbers that we count here with no decimal place in their simplest form are integers, but not whole numbers or natural numbers if they're negative. We call all of these numbers, including the fractions, decimals, repeating decimals, and percents, part of our natural numbers. So if I have a number like -10/2, see, that looks like a fraction, but if I simplify this, that will be equal to -5. So this number would go into the integer set, -10/2. Because the simplest form of this number is an integer. So when we simplify the number, then we can determine where the number is going to go in our set. All the numbers we counted here are going to be rational numbers, and all of these numbers that I listed here are rational numbers. And the part of the rational numbers that are outside of the integers are fractions, decimals, and they can be like positive or negative. I mean, like, don't get confused with integers being negative. Integers are negative or positive. See, like, integers also include the positive numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And some of you were confused that integers should be like the negative ones, but I have just like, I can have a -2/5, -0.5. See, these are all rational numbers as well, and integers just consists of whole numbers and also negative whole numbers. So integers can be positive or negative, and so is the rational numbers. And any number we list here is a rational number, and the ones that do not have a decimal place are integers, and non-negative integers are whole numbers, which is like 0, 1, 2, 3, and the natural numbers are just positive integers. Thank you.